In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code calendar events in the new version of Outlook. This can be a really handy way to organize your schedule and visually manage different kinds of activities at a glance. Whether you're scheduling meetings, appointments, or simply blocking off time for different tasks, color coding can help you quickly identify your commitments and priorities. Let's start by looking at how you can apply a color category directly from the calendar view. To do this, first go to your calendar and find an event you wish to categorize. Simply right-click on the event to bring up a menu. From this menu, hover over the option that says Categorize. You will see a list of available color categories. Selecting one of these will apply that specific color category to your event. It's worth noting that Outlook allows you to apply multiple categories to a single event if that suits your needs better. Now let's say you're already within an event and you decide you'd like to color code it. Don't worry, Outlook has a way to do that too. Open the event you're working on and look for the ribbon at the top of the window. In this ribbon, you'll see an event tab. Click on this tab to open its options. Within the tab, find the Categorize button and click on it. Similar to our previous method, a menu will appear with various color categories to choose from. This feature enhances your ability to keep your calendar visually organized right from within the event settings. Sometimes the given categories don't quite meet your needs. In such cases, Outlook provides the flexibility to customize your categories. To do this, access the Categorize menu from either the calendar view or within an event, and then click on All Categories at the bottom of the menu. This will open the Color Categories window where you can manage your category options. In this window, you are free to create new categories by choosing New and assigning both a color and a name to your category. Alternatively, you can rename existing categories if their current titles don't suit your preferences. This customization allows you to tailor your color coding system to best fit your personal or professional needs. So there you have it, a straightforward way to use color coding in Outlook to enhance your calendar organization. Remember, whether you're selecting existing categories or creating your own, the key is to choose a system that makes your schedule easier to understand at a glance. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this helps keep your calendar more organized and efficient.